Can I show you friends? I like color fireworks. It's just like in the movie when Tinkerbell does it, yeah? Yeah, Kimberly?
This is like Animal Crossing. There's one over there.
Yeah, I see it. I saw one. Well, right there. There.
Happy Independence Day for Brazil.
Yeah!
Today's not Independence Day.
Well, it was on the 7th.
I just love color fireworks.
So beautiful. Golden.
Nicole's using her dust too much, yeah?
Yeah, Tinkerbell nest.
Too much of her dust.
Instead of Beaver Blast, Tinkerbell Blast.
Tinkerbell blast.
No, no.
It's like Animal Crossing. It changes colors. Like it turns from red to pink.
Live Animal Crossing fireworks. Yeah, right. Oh, that one's beautiful. Not sure if you guys can see this, but that's actually golden. See if I can edit it on the... Whoa, that was beautiful right there. Come on, don't run out of battery soon. I love red.
I love it.
Are you telling me that's all? Oh, come on. Looks like that's all. I hope it's not all.
Bye, everyone.
No, Daisy, we're not going by soon.
Aww, not now.
Well, I want to see.
It's over.
It's over?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, that was
Only goes there.